Ferrari 288 GTO. The Ferrari 288 GTO was introduced in 1984 and is widely considered Ferrari's first true modern supercar. It was originally developed so Ferrari could compete in the FIA Group B racing category, which required manufacturers to build a limited number of road cars for homologation. Although the racing series was cancelled before the car could compete, the 288 GTO still became an icon. It was powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing about 400 horsepower, which allowed the car to reach speeds close to 190 miles per hour. At a time when most sports cars were still naturally aspirated, the use of twin turbochargers gave the 288 GTO explosive acceleration. Ferrari also used lightweight materials like Kevlar, aluminum, and fiberglass to keep the car extremely light. With only 272 units produced, the 288 GTO laid the foundation for Ferrari's future limited production supercars, Ferrari F40. The Ferrari F40 arrived in 1987 as a celebration of Ferrari's 40th anniversary and quickly became one of the most famous supercars in automotive history. It also holds a special place in Ferrari history because it was the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari before his death. The F40 was built with a singular focus on speed and driver engagement. It used a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 471 horsepower, pushing the car past 200 miles per hour, which made it the fastest production car in the world at the time. The body was constructed largely from carbon fiber and Kevlar, making it extremely lightweight. Inside, the car was intentionally stripped down with no carpets, simple door panels, and minimal comfort features. The result was a raw, race-inspired driving experience that emphasized performance above everything else. Ferrari F50. The Ferrari F50 was unveiled in 1995 as Ferrari's flagship supercar of the decade and was designed to bring Formula One engineering directly to a road car. Unlike the turbocharged F40, Ferrari chose a naturally aspirated approach for the F50, using a 4.7-liter V12 engine derived from Ferrari's early 1990s Formula One technology. The engine produced around 512 horsepower and was mounted directly to the carbon fiber chassis as a stressed structural component, similar to the layout used in race cars. The car also featured advanced pushrod suspension and a removable targa roof, allowing drivers to enjoy an open-air experience. Only 349 units were produced, making it even rarer than its predecessor. While it initially lived in the shadow of the legendary F40, the F50 has since gained appreciation for its purity and direct connection between driver, engine, and road. Ferrari Enzo. The Ferrari Enzo debuted in 2002 and was named after the company's founder, honoring his legacy while showcasing Ferrari's most advanced technology at the time. The car was heavily influenced by Formula One engineering and was designed to push the boundaries of road car performance. It used a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, active aerodynamics, carbon ceramic brakes, and paddle shift transmission technology that was derived from Ferrari's racing program. The naturally aspirated 6.0-liter V12 engine produced around 660 horsepower and delivered extremely sharp throttle response. The Enzo could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds and reach speeds above 215 miles per hour. Ferrari originally planned to build only 399 units, though one additional car was later produced for charity. The Enzo became a defining supercar of the early 2000s and demonstrated how racing technology could be transferred directly to road cars. Ferrari LaFerrari. LaFerrari was introduced in 2013 and represented a major technological shift for Ferrari, becoming the company's first hybrid production supercar. The name itself simply means the Ferrari, emphasizing its position as the brand's ultimate flagship model. The car combined a naturally aspirated 6.3-liter V12 engine with Ferrari's HYKERS hybrid electric system, producing a combined output of about 950 horsepower. Unlike traditional hybrids focused on efficiency, this system was designed purely to enhance performance by providing instant torque and additional power. The car also used active aerodynamic elements that adjusted automatically during driving to improve stability and downforce. The design blended futuristic technology with Ferrari's traditional V12 character. Limited to just 499 coupes, along with a smaller number of convertible Aperta versions, LaFerrari marked Ferrari's entry into the hybrid hypercar era. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale was launched in 2019 and represents one of the most technologically advanced road cars Ferrari has ever built. Named after the 90th anniversary of Ferrari's racing team, Scuderia Ferrari, the car showcases Ferrari's move toward electrified performance. It combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 3 electric motors to produce a total output of nearly 1,000 horsepower. 2 of the electric motors power the front wheels, giving the SF90 all-wheel drive, which is unusual for a mid-engine Ferrari supercar. The car can also operate in a fully electric mode for short distances, allowing it to drive silently without using the gasoline engine. Despite this complexity, the SF90 still delivers extreme performance, accelerating to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds. It represents a new generation of Ferrari supercars where electrification enhances rather than replaces performance. Ferrari Daytona SP3. The Ferrari Daytona SP3 was unveiled in 2021 as part of Ferrari's Icona series, a collection of highly exclusive models inspired by classic Ferrari race cars. The design of the Daytona SP3 pays tribute to Ferrari's dominant victory at the 1967 Daytona 24-hour race, where Ferrari cars finished first, second, and third. The car features dramatic bodywork with sculpted surfaces and horizontal aerodynamic elements that echo the styling of classic endurance racers. Unlike many modern hypercars that rely on hybrid technology, the Daytona SP3 stays true to tradition by using a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine producing over 800 horsepower. This engine delivers high revving performance and a distinctive Ferrari sound. Only 599 units were produced, making it one of Ferrari's most exclusive modern models. The Daytona SP3 combines historical inspiration with modern engineering to celebrate Ferrari's racing heritage. Ferrari 296 GTB. The Ferrari 296 GTB was introduced in 2021 as a major step forward in Ferrari's move toward electrified performance. Unlike most modern Ferraris that rely on V8 or V12 engines, the 296 GTB uses a completely new 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor. Together, the hybrid system produces around 830 horsepower, delivering extreme acceleration while also improving efficiency. The car is capable of driving short distances in fully electric mode, something that would have seemed unusual for a Ferrari supercar only a decade earlier. Despite the hybrid technology, the engine was carefully engineered to maintain a strong, distinctive sound and character.